Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new. I'm gonna get ready for this video. So this is a recipe I have been wanting to make for the absolute longest. Let's just get started. So it is the body glaze slash solid body oil. And I have not filmed a recipe in so long, and this one I'm kind of freestyling just a little bit. I do know like what I want to do. For like the base, you're gonna need some coconut oil, some palm oil, which this is my first time working with this, palm oil, beeswax, shea butter, and mango butter. And for the oils, you're gonna need grapeseed, apricot oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, rice bran, and castor oil. Once again, the thing with the oils is that they're a little bit more customizable depending on what you want out of body butter, body oil. We're gonna just separate it into two different parts of the recipe, the solids and then the oil. First is, I'm gonna be using some organic virgin coconut oil, and this is amazing for with some palm oil, because this solidifies. Palm oil feels really good on the skin, so you're never going to go in with some beeswax. Once again, a hard product. Where was Pillar? And then obviously some mango butter. We're gonna cut the mango butter, as you can see. Just gonna cut like a little and then of course some shea butter. Is everything together. Now we're going to go in with the oil mix. For the oil mixture, this is kind of based on whatever you want to do, right? I'm gonna add a little bit of jojoba oil. Next, I'm going to use vitamin E. Sorry if this video is like kind of all over the place. I'm kind of like eyeballing this recipe a little bit, but I'm also just like really excited to make. Next is some rice bran oil. Yeah, quite a bit of that. Next is castor oil. So yeah, I'm excited to like, you know, see how this turns out. And then grapeseed. So yeah, I'm kind of eyeballing this recipe specifically only because I've added a couple tweaks to the recipe. Add a couple new things, but yeah, yo, I'm so excited to see how this comes out. I've been wanting to make this for so long. And some apricot oil. I feel like this oil is very important in this recipe, and yeah, I can definitely make a more detailed version of this. Using paper towels. If you make this, use paper towels because this is a very oily recipe. So yeah, these are the two mixtures combined. I'm going to add a little bit more beeswax. And y'all, I will link everything that I use down below. I got most of this from Amazon. Now we're going to melt everything together. If you are making this like regular, you can just use one bowl, like that's fine. A little different because I wanted y'all to see just the different textures. And now I'm just gonna pour this mixture. And then pour a little bit of the oils. I'm gonna melt this down and I will be right back. So this is like what it looks like as it's melting. I'm using the double boiler method where you're using like a pot and then you're sending it on like a stove or a hot plate. Letting this melt, and then I am going to use the pumpkin cream fragrance only because I feel like with this you're going to need a lot of fragrance. Like for this recipe I'll probably use the rest of that bottle, which is around like 2 ounces. At the website's percentages, I would say like this is more of a body butter type of, so look under the body butter because websites have that. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this melt and then I will be back when it all melts. So we have the mixture, y'all. The bowl is still really hot, but as you can see, this is the mixture. Now of course let it cool down for like just a little bit. And now we're gonna add the pumpkin cream brulee fragrance oil. I'm gonna be adding the rest of the whole bottle, so it's around 2 ounces. Beeswax is a little bit still at the top, just a little. And I'll say let it cool down for a little bit before you pour it into containers, obviously. So yeah, I'm gonna just let that sit for a minute. The containers I'm using are from Wholesale Beauty Supply Plus. And you can literally get these on Amazon probably. So yeah, I'm just gonna use, I think honestly this can hold around 2 of them. But obviously wait a little bit until it dries down. If I was making this for like to sell, I would obviously like check the temperature and everything, but I'm not. This is for my own use. So we're just gonna pour it in. The creme brulee fragrance oil smells so good. So this made around 3 of them. Really let these sit. I am going to put them in the fridge because I do want them to cool off a little faster. I'm going to put these in the refrigerator. I will see y'all when these are refrigerated or like cooled down. Typically it will be like an hour, but we're going to speed up the process a little. How it came out. It's kind of hot, this texture. So I wanted to show the finished product. As you can see here, I've been using it for the past couple days. But I want to show you the consistency. It's like that, it's literally so similar to like, but yes, it is. So yeah, I wanted to show y'all the texture of this product. I already have oil on my hand, but I'm gonna just show you, it's like this very